So today I am on set technically, doing some e-com stuff, but I'm really close to the guys over at Lean Customs, and it has been a long time in the making, but I got to do something pretty special with these guys, and I'm gonna go check it out right now. We just got to Lean.
Yeah.
What do we got?
Check them out. They're here finally.
Oh my gosh.
Approved.
Approved.
Licensed, approved.
It's approved.
It's approved.
3 hours later.
I got a hot tip from a friend about some Chevelles that might be just parked on a street in Burbank. Could be for sale, who knows? So I'm gonna go scout that out and see what's going on. Over the last 10 years, I've been keeping my eye out for some old American muscle. Gotta be Chevy. I just want something that runs. I'm not looking for a project that I have to do a ton of engine work on. Definitely good to have something that needs some love for the budget, but just gotta be a runner. So would love a C3 Corvette or a 70 to 72 Chevelle or a 67 to 69 Camaro. They texted me a few days ago that they saw them on the street, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we can actually hunt these babies down. See something under a cover, but definitely not looking like Chevelles. House for rent. I mean, honestly, slightly interested. I'd love to live in this neighborhood again. Ooh, S2000. Not really what we're looking for today. Oh my gosh, another one? Yo, who lives over here? It's a very empty looking street, but I don't really want to count it out because things could still be in driveways, so I'm trying to like just keep my head on a slow swivel. Oh, I see an orange Camaro from here. Oh shit. Okay, I see a Chevelle. Oh my gosh. I see one Chevelle in the driveway. Okay, it's real. It was not a wild goose chase. One real Chevelle and a Camaro. I don't know, I can't tell if it's a 68 or 67 though. Okay, so there's a 67 or 68 Camaro, and it's a RS. My mom's first car was a 67 RS Camaro, so wow, that would be really cool. This one is parked so much further away from the house that the blue one is at though, so it's interesting. Do I have some competition? Who is this? Towing service. I mean, how many times a day do you think this thing gets a note put on it? I'm sure it's a little intrusive to go into the driveway. There's a ring camera, but I gotta shoot my shot, right? Damn. Oh, it's a 69. Damn. Okay. I'm a little less interested in a 69, but just a couple of RS Camaros a few years apart hanging out. Okay, well, I had to shoot my shot. I put my number on the 67 RS Camaro, and I don't know, we'll see. And I think I'm less interested in the Chevelle because it's a 69. Nothing wrong with it, I just don't prefer the front end style over what 70 to 72 looked like. The tail lights are the same as the 70, but I actually prefer the tail lights on the 71 and 72 Chevelle. I actually love something that Chip Foose does is he'll take a 70 Chevelle and put the taillights from the 71 and 72 on the 70, so you still get those like dual round headlights in the front rather than with the 71 and 72 where you get one round headlight and then the orange lights on the side. So successful adventure though. I think I found exactly what I set out to find. That was a good tip from my friend. So now we wait to see if anybody gives us a text or a call. All right, moving on to the next adventure. Go potty. That way? Okay. Oh yeah. Hi, CB boy. I've once again ended up somewhere that I don't know how I ended up. Last year I had the opportunity to shoot for Porsche's Restoration Challenge. I went to a few different dealerships, shot some really beautiful cars, and this year I'm so honored that I get to come to the Peterson Museum today and help judge the Restoration Challenge People's Choice Car.
The color is gorgeous.
Like a tomato red. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love this.
That was my #1 vote. Yeah.
Tastes like